Hello everyone! So if you want to customize Control Center on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open up your Control Center. Now to enter the editing mode, hold on a blank space and press Edit Control. Now find any application which you want. For example, you want to add your low power mode. Simply tap on it. Now you can drag it freely, so simply hold it and drag it to any space of your screen. Use this handle to resize your icon, right? You can put it in the lower tab right over it, because now Control Center has quite a few tabs, or you can create a totally new tab if you want to, of course. Now if you want to delete your widget which you added, right, simply find this minus icon on it and tap on it, and it will be deleted. When you're satisfied with everything, simply tap on the blank space once again and it will be saved. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.